This is the 7th grade math first semester practice exam. I unfortunately realized that I was not recording for the first couple, so I'll go ahead and explain those and then we'll move on from there. Number 1 asks what number sentence applies to the model that's shown. We have 5 positive counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3 negative counters, 1, 2, 3. So that shows us a 5 plus a negative 3, which gives us an answer of a positive 2. In number 2, it says to create a number line that applies to the number sentence 4 plus negative 7. So the first thing we need to do is draw a number line. We start at a positive 4, and we move in the left or the negative direction 7 units to end up at negative 3. This is what I call the bunny hop method, but there are multiple other methods that you can use to show a number line. Any of those are acceptable. In number 3, you're asked to simply solve. We have negative 57 plus a negative 294. Because both terms are negative, we add the values together and we keep the negative sign. That gives us a sum of negative 351. Negative 4 asks us to use the additive inverse to show how to solve the following subtraction problem. 743 minus a negative 42. We're going to start with the negative 743, and we're going to KCA it. We're going to keep, change, and then take the additive inverse. So we keep the 743, we change our subtraction to addition, and we take the additive inverse of negative 42, which is 42. 743 plus 42 gives us 785. Now that we're all caught up, we're going to go ahead and move on to number 5. Jeremy has $23.74. He's buying a watch that is $56.98. How much money will he have after he buys the watch? So obviously we see that the watch costs more than what he owns. So our answer will be negative. When we set up the subtraction problem, we're going to use 23.74 minus 56.98. We need to go ahead, I would recommend using our keep change additive inverse. Okay, CA. That gives us 23.74 plus a negative 56.98. Over to the side, I'm going to show my scratch work. When we add two values that have and the signs are different, we subtract. 56.98 minus 23.74. 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Because 56.98 is further away from 0, that means that it has the greater absolute value. So our answer will be negative, like we said before. $33.24. Excuse me. So after Jeremy buys the watch, he will owe the store $33.